In this video, I'm going to show you how to use undo and redo in Affinity Designer. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so what I've done, I've just put in a few stars on my document. So the best way to undo or redo is come up to the top here, and we've got an edit button here. So we can go ahead and click on the undo clear selection, so we can click onto that, and then it's going to say undo add star. So I've added these stars, so undo add star, undo add star. Now if I want to add them back in, I can go ahead redo add star, redo add star, redo add star, redo clear selection. Now from here also we've got a history of what we've done on our document. So in the bottom right hand corner you should have a history tab. We can drag this out if you want as well, so we can see all the things you've done here with the history. So here I've added these 4 stars, and I've got clear selection, and then I was working on another project here with this puppy dog. So we can go ahead and on the top of this position, so we can change this by the slider here. So as you can see, I've worked on it like that. So yeah, that's how to use undo and redo in Affinity Designer.